Okay, I see you, Somila. Yes, getting ready. All right, we are going to recap what we did on Monday. And if you were not here with us on Monday, but I know that everybody was, hello, Jody and Masibonge, we are going to be looking at naming these coordinates. Can somebody remind me? I want somebody to unmute and tell me, when we are writing the coordinates, which one do we write first? Do we write the X number first, or do we write the Y number first? Which one comes first? Roland, I know you know.
Hello, Miss.
Hello, Roland. Good afternoon.
Miss, the X comes first, Miss, then it's the Y.
Excellent. And do you remember how we write it? How we have to write it? What do we need to write first?
We need to write first, Miss, the negative, Miss.
Oh, we open brackets.
And then you open brackets, Miss. Then you write the negative, semicolon.
Oh, we write the X number, semicolon, and then we write the
Y number, Miss. And we close brackets.
Excellent. And then we close brackets. We always need to remember to do that. Okay, excellent, Roland. Well done. Remember, this number doesn't necessarily have to be negative. It's just the X number. Okay, well done, Roland. Amazing. I knew you could do it. Well done. Okay, so we're going to just do a quick recap of what we did. And we're going to be looking at number 1. I hope everybody's looking at number 1. Number 1 is right over here, if you guys can see it. Okay, if we want to find the X coordinate, we're going to take this and we're going to take it down to the X line. Did I just delete it? Oh no. Okay, there we go. We're going to take it all the way to the X line. And what is my X value going to be, guys? Tell me in the chat. What is my X value going to be? I'm going to wait for those answers in the chat. Thank you, Masichaba and Sila. That's okay. And Roland and Unati and Sam, you guys are doing amazing. Awesome. All right. My X value is going to be 5. And then to find my Y value, I have to take this number all the way to the Y line. So I'm going to go all the way there. This is supposed to be a straight line. I'm not sure what I'm doing. Okay, let's try for a straight line. Okay. There we go. And it's going to see. Okay. It's going to stay here at 1. So what is my Y value going to be, guys? Excellent, Sam and Smita. Hello, Smita. It's going to be 1. Now, I want you guys to take both my X value and my Y value, and I want you to write it like this, the way we learned how to write it. Put it in the chat for me, the way we learned how to write it. All right, I'm going to wait because I know you guys know how to do this. Sam, if you were not here on Monday, I promise you're going to be able to follow with us. Smita, remember what we want is the value. So you're going to take the X value that we just found and you're going to replace X with that. And you're going to take the Y value we just found and you're going to replace Y with that. So if you guys are a little stuck, watch what Roland has done. Roland has done it. Roland, excellent. Well done, Masichaba. Amazing. Okay, so what we're going to do, like we learned on Monday, we're going to open brackets and we're going to put the X number, which was 5. The X number was 5, semicolon. And then we're going to put the Y number, and the Y number was 1. And then we're going to close bracket. Misela, that's okay, my sweetie. You're going to be able to follow. If you see what we're doing here, you're going to be able to follow with what we're doing. Okay, this is exactly what we're doing. And you can always rewatch the recording. Excellent, Masbonge. Well done. And Unati as well. And Iminati. I've got an Unati, an Inam, and an Iminati. Guys, whew, it's like a tongue twister. Awesome. All right. Give me a thumbs up or a thumbs down. Do you guys think you can do number 2 by yourselves? Let's look for number 2. Roland's always ready to go. That's not an issue, my sweetie. I know Monday was really tough electricity-wise. Try and follow along. Okay, I'm getting quite a lot of thumbs up. Let's give it a try, guys. Luto, remember, 1 emoji. Thank you very much, everyone else, for following instruction. 1 emoji at a time. All right, I'm going to give everyone 1 minute. Okay, answer number 2 for me. And when you're done, pop your answer in the chat. Okay. Also, Mlandile, I'm waiting for your answer. Oh, Roland's like, Miss, where is number 2? Number 2's over here, my sweetie, over there. It's named 2. Okay. If you're having a bit of trouble, you can always, if you're on your phone especially, you can zoom in and out. But I think on your laptop, you should be able to see it just fine. Sila, your Y value is correct, but I'm not so sure about your X value. I'm going to move it a little bit. Teacher Annalise, I feel like I haven't put it in the right place. Let me, yeah, there it is. That's okay, no crazy. It's great that you could join us. Well done, Smita. Well done. That's it. Amazing stuff. Sila, do you see where, I hope you see where you went wrong, my sweetie. It's just a small little misunderstanding. Excellent, guys. Awesome stuff. Well done, Masbonge and Iminati. All right, guys, volunteer. Anybody want to give us the answer? I know you got the answer right. I just want somebody to tell me how am I going to write it. Anybody but Roland, because I know Roland knows the answer. So Mila, how about you? Would you like to answer? Roland, I'm going to give you another chance later on. So Mila, would you like to answer? Do you want to unmute for me, my sweetie? No? Okay, that's fine. That's fine, my sweetie. Just pop your answer in the chat for me. Luto, do you want to help me?
Hi, ma'am.
Hello, Luto.
Oh, ma'am, the answer for number 2 is 2 semicolon 3.
Oh, what did we forget? What do we always need to start with?
Oh, the brackets, ma'am.
Excellent, good. So I need to open brackets and then
2
good.
Semicolon
And
3 and close brackets.
Excellent. Amazing. Well done, Luto. I knew you could do it. Just don't forget your brackets. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Well done. All right, guys. Okay. I want us to try numbers 3, 4, and 5. For those of you who can't see this, over here is number 3, number 4, number 5. For my sweetie, could I ask you to read for me? Okay, there we go. All right. Try 3, 4, and 5. And when you're done, guys, I just need you to put the excellent emoji in the chat for me, please. You need to answer all 3 of them. Remember, write them in the correct order. Your X value first, then your Y value. Remember your brackets and remember your semicolon. And when you're done, put that perfecto, that one in the chat for me. Moleboheng, you are super fast. Yo, amazing. Mwah, excellent. Oh, Nelisa, that's the wrong emoji. Thank you, Roland. It's okay.
Cool.
It's okay. Perfecto. Yes, teacher Nelisa, we go. Perfecto. That's because we're getting the answers right. That's why we do that. Yeah. It's okay, Emerson. Next time, Emerson, you just write, perfecto. Smita, if you're confused, that's okay. We're going to go through them again together in just a bit. Okay. There we go, Nelisa. And then Emerson goes, but mwah, there we go. Yes, Roland, thank you so much. And Crazy, enjoy your day tomorrow. I know you guys are going to sell a lot of stuff. You should invite us. You should invite us to the Entrepreneurs Day so we can also see what you guys are selling. Yeah. Or you should, on Monday, you need to come tell us how much you guys made and what you guys sold and stuff. I'm going to be waiting for a full report on Monday. Excellent. Okay. I'm going to wait for 2 more emojis and then I'm going to get going. Is that Kelita? I haven't seen that name before. Hello, Kelita. I like this one. She's like, perfect. Excellent. And then Misella's doing the mwah. Okay, I see it. All right, guys, are we ready? Let's do number 3 together. Everybody pop number 3's answer in the chat. Yeah, let's use blue. Oh, on the 27th of September. If you're around the KZN area, I might be able to, but if you're anywhere else around the country, I might not be able to make it. That's okay, Jody. Well done, Keisha. Well done. That's it, Nelisa. Excellent. So remember, guys, if we're looking at number 3, we need to take 3 and then we need to take it up towards the X line. And when we're taking it up towards the X line, we're going to find that our X value is -4. Good. And then if we take it towards our Y line, if we go this way, we're going to find that our Y value is -3. So my coordinate is going to read open brackets, -4, semicolon, -3. If you got it right, you need to give yourself a mwah, perfecto, because you did it so beautifully. Well done, guys. Amazing. Very well done. All right. Can we pop the answer to number 4 in the chat, please? Let's look for the answer for number 4. Sure, Nelly said that was fast. Excellent. Yo, you guys are really good at this. Amazing stuff. Okay, good. So we're going to start to take number 4 all the way up to the X line. And we're going to find that the X value is 3. And then we're going to take it all the way to the Y line. And we're going to find that our Y value is -4. So when I write it, I'm going to open brackets, 3, semicolon, -4. Okay, close brackets. Iminati, be a little careful. Oh, Iminati is still doing the one before. Okay, Iminati is still doing number 3, and we're already on number 4. Okay, I would like a volunteer for number 5, because I strategically put number 5 in a weird place. I put it in a weird place because I wanted somebody to kind of tell me what it was. Oh, Chava says -2 and 1. I'm not sure. I'm not sure. Anybody else have any suggestions? Keisha says -2 and 0. Oh, who are we going to believe? Who is correct? Sam says 2 and 1. Mivuyo says 0 and 2. This one is a bit of a tricky one, I won't lie. Okay, I think we should do this one together. Jody says -2 and 1. Nelly said -2 and 0. Smita -2 and 5. Ooh, oh, it's called number 5. So maybe that's where we got the 5 from, but not quite. Iminati says -2 and -1. Okay, let's work through this one together. All right, so if I had to take this dot for number 5 and put it on the X line, where is it sitting on the X line? Guys, tell me in the chat, where on the X line is my dot sitting? It's sitting on just the X value, guys. Give me just the X value. Sam, be careful. It is number 5, but where is it sitting? Well done, Masachaba and Roland. Okay, I'm thinking everybody's getting the X value correct. Okay, so I'm going to open brackets, -2, semicolon. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my value, I'm going to take my dot, and I'm going to take it towards the y line. And if I take it towards my y line, let me just bring it above. Where does it land, guys? Where does it land? It lands on? It lands on 0. On 0. So my y value is actually 0 because it's sitting on the x line. So my y value is 0. Okay. Give me a thumbs up, thumbs down. How are we feeling about that sum? Number 5. How are we feeling about number 5? Thank you, Smita. It was a bit of a difficult one, I'll be honest. Okay, I'm seeing a lot of thumbs up. Yep, I know it was tricky, Roland. I did it on purpose. I know, I have a really, really fun brain break. I know, I'm sorry. Teacher Nelisa, we had so much work on Monday that we never got to a brain break and they were so mad at me. But we have one today. We definitely have a brain break.
Planned for today.
We do.
Good.
Otherwise, I wouldn't survive. They wouldn't let me survive. All right, guys. Okay. I'm glad we're all feeling okay about this. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to look at shapes. We're going to look at shapes on the Cartesian plane or on the coordinate plane. Okay. Sylvia says thumbs up. I like it. Sometimes you just can't find the emojis. What you going to do? All right. I need somebody to help me with my first shape, the shape A, B, C. Moleboge, can you unmute for me, my sweetie? Roland, I want you to do my second shape for me. Where did Moleboge go? Oh, no. Okay. Roland, do you want to do number 2? Oh, guys, wait, you guys are just like disappearing. No. Okay, Roland, let's do the first shape. Okay, give me the coordinates. Hello, Roland. Oh, how's your voice feeling? How's your voice doing?
It's a little bit fine now.
Is it?
Yes,
okay. I can hear you a lot better than I did on Monday. I'm glad.
Yes, miss.
That's okay. All right. Okay. So can you give me the coordinates? What coordinate? What is the x value and the y value at A?
What's the x value, miss? For A, it's going to equal to 1, miss.
Good. And then my y value?
It's also going to be equal to 1, miss.
Excellent. Well done. Are you reading it off the x line and on the y line? Is that what you're doing?
Yes, miss.
Excellent. Well done. Okay, now give me the coordinates for B, please. What's the x value for B?
The x value for B, miss, is 9.
Good, it's 9. And the y value?
It's going to be equal to 1, miss.
Excellent, well done. Let's do the same for C, Roland.
Miss, for C, miss, it's all going to be equal to 5.
5, my x value is 5, and my y value is?
Your y value is going to be equal to 6, miss.
Well done. Yo, Roland, amazing. Amazing. Well done, dude. Even with your whole voice, you got it all correct. Well done.
Thank you.
Amazing. All right. So now what we're going to do is we're going to connect all of these together. Okay, I'm just going to move this one. Roland is correct. I just need to move it up a little bit. One. Okay, we're going to connect these dots. And I know somebody already told me the answer to this one. The shape that we're going to get over here. What shape are we going to get, guys? Tell me in the chat, everyone. Excellent, Jody. And hello, Titelo. Sam, you have a question? If your hand is up, I will take your question in just a second. Let's finish this one. Okay, it's going to be a triangle. Okay. Oi, guys, I'm spotting again. There, my webcam is acting funny again. There we go. Aha, okay, good. So we know that it's going to give us a triangle, right? Now, I want somebody, think about it before you answer the question. Do we notice anything similar about point A and point B? Can anyone see anything similar about them? Mbali, what do you think? Ah, excellent, Smita. She spotted it. Mbali, what do you think? What's similar about our points A and B? Oh, Mbali's not unmuting. Okay, but I agree with everyone who's writing in the chat. Both of their Y values are 1. Okay. Excellent. You guys noticed that.
Ma'am, I think.
Oh, she unmutes after I've given her the answer. I was going to ask you, Mbali. Now I've given you the answer. I'm so sorry. Okay, let me ask you another question, Mbali. If I drew a straight line. Oh no. Is that me or Mbali having connection issues? I think it might be Mbali.
Yeah, it might
Okay.
be.
Ma'am?
Yes. Oh no. Okay. All right. Mbali will get back to you in just a second. Everyone in the chat, tell me, if I take C and I draw a line straight from C, a straight line right down so that it touches this line, what is the value of my Y going to be down here? What is my Y value going to be? Tell me in the chat. Oh, not quite 0, Roland. Remember, it's touching that line. And what did we say about the numbers on that line? Good. All of the Y values on that line are going to be equal to 1. Excellent. So my Y value here is going to be 1. Okay. So what we're going to take away from this is that if I draw a straight line, right, that is parallel, and does anybody remember what parallel is? Tell me, guys. Master Chaba, do you know what does parallel mean? Unmute for me.
Parallel lines are lines that never meet each other.
Exactly, they're never going to meet each other, right? So what I'm saying is this line, this straight line that we've drawn over here is never going to meet our X line. Okay, they're always, X line is always going to be here, and our Y line is, and our line at 1 is always going to be over here. And they're going to keep moving and they're never actually going to meet. So the straight line that is parallel to my X line, that means that all my Y values will be the same. Okay. So what I mean by that is if I draw a line over here, and I will move it in just a second because I'm terrible at drawing lines, apparently. Oh no, don't do this to me. Okay, I'm going to draw it freehand, guys. Okay, if I draw a line over here at H, what is my value? What is my H? What is my Y value for H over here? Who can tell me in the chat? What is my Y value on that line? Oh, no, Kwezi, it's not going to be 10. Good, Roland and Mivuyo. Tetelo, remember, is it a positive 2 or a negative 2, guys? Be careful. Have a look at it. It's going to be negative 2. Right. Now, if this line is parallel to my X line, what do we know about all the Y values on that line? What will they be? What will their answer be? All the Y values will be how much? How much will all the Y values be? All of them will be negative, but negative what, Roland? What number? Masichaba's got the right idea. Muvuyo too. They will all be -2. Okay, well done, guys. Okay, that means if I draw a dot here, it doesn't matter what the x value is, the y value will be -2. And if I draw a dot here, doesn't matter what the x value is, my y value will be -2. So all the y values on my straight line will be -2. Thumbs up, thumbs down. Do we understand? Are we getting it? Okay, I'm getting quite a few thumbs up. Excellent, guys. Wonderful stuff. Well done, Misela and Asimtande. Puluko is back. Hey, PK the Kid 95. Excellent, Ntiso. Awesome, Emerson. Okay, good. We get the idea. Now, I need somebody to help me with this one, with D, E, F, G. Nelisa, do you want to help? Nelisa, let's do D, E, F, G together.
Okay, ma'am.
So give me the coordinates of D for me.
D is open brackets -8.
Good.
Semicolon -2 close brackets.
Excellent. Good. Let's do E. What is E going to be? Guys, make sure you're helping out in the chat.
E is open bracket -4. Semicolon -2.
-2. Excellent. Have you noticed something already, Nelisa?
Yes, ma'am.
What have you noticed?
That all the y values are 2.
Are they just 2 or they are?
-2.
Good, -2. All right, let's go for G. Tell me, what are the values of G?
G is open bracket -8. Semicolon -6 close brackets.
Excellent. And what about F?
F is open brackets -4. Semicolon -6.
Excellent. Well done. Amazing stuff. All right. Okay. Well done. Now, I want everyone to kind of get this one, but Nelisa, you did such an amazing job. Very, very well done. I'm going to connect this. And what shape do we get, guys? Tell me in the chat. What type? Yes, Jody, amazing. It's a square. It's a square. Excellent. It's going to give us a square. Now, remember, guys, how we were talking about if this is a straight line and the straight line is parallel to my X line, what did we say all my Y values will be? If these two lines are parallel, what will happen to all my Y values on this line? They will all be what number? Well done, Mivuyo. They will all be -2. Look at this one. I have -8 and -2, and I have -4 and -2. The X values are different, but the Y values are the same. Okay. But what happens over here? Let's look over here. There's a -4 and a -4 over here. No. What do we notice about a straight line that goes up and down like this? Which line is it parallel to? Which one do you guys think? Is it going to be the X line or the Y line? This would be the X line. And I'm talking about this one over here, the one that goes up and down. Which line is it going to be parallel to? Excellent, Nokwezi. Where is the negative on D? Oh, it's just kind of my handwriting, Masachaba. It's there. It's there. My handwriting is just terrible. Sorry. I'll fix my handwriting. Let me do it again. Okay, here. -2. There. Okay. No problem, Bukhali. Remember to connect to audio. Okay. All right, guys, I'm going to ask the question again. Okay. This line here, line EF. Oh, I need to write it in black. Sorry. Line EF is parallel to which line? The X line or the Y line? The straight line that goes down and up like this is parallel to which line? What do you guys think? Is it the X line or the Y line? Excellent, Mvuyo. It's the Y line. Keisha says the same. Nokwezi also says the Y line. Nokwezi says she can give me some pointers. I agree. Roland also says the Y line. It's parallel to the Y line. Okay, so this line is always going to be parallel to this line. So what does that tell me about all my X values on this line, guys? What's going to be the X values on this line everywhere? What are they all going to be? All my X values are going to be equal to, what's the number? If I go up, what are all my X values going to be? All of them are going to be -4. Excellent. Okay, we're going to come back to this. It's very, very important. Okay. Thumbs up, thumbs down. How are we feeling? I'm seeing hands. If your hand is up, I'm going to assume that you have a question. So I'm going to ask you to unmute for me. But if you don't have a question, can I ask you to put your hand down for me? If you want to answer a question. Excellent, Jody. Okay, Ntiso, can we start with you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Ntiso, how can I help?
Ma'am, I don't have a question. I wanted to answer the next question.
Oh, okay. All right. Well, the next question is actually the brain break. So how about you leave your hand up and I will ask you right after Teacher Neliswa to answer the next question on the brain break. What do you think? Excellent. All right. Okay, Jody's like, finally. Yeah, Jody, we need to learn maths first. We need to do some maths first. Okay, Teacher Neliswa, do you want to unmute and help me out a bit?
Yeah.
All right. Okay. So I think everyone in the class knows how this game works. Okay. Nokwezi needs this break. We need to get these numbers in ascending order. But remember, we can only swap blocks that are right next to each other, not move. Swap blocks right next to each other. Okay. Swap blocks sitting next to each other. Okay. Teacher Neliswa, do you want to give us the first swap? Which one do you think we can swap first? And remember, guys, you need to give Teacher Neliswa some tips in the chat.
Okay. What about 2 and 3?
2 and 3. Okay. We're going to swap 2 and 3. Amazing. All right. So my new order is 2, 3, 6, 4, 1, 5, 7. Okay. Bye, Unati. Unati says needs to leave. That's okay. We're going to see you again on Monday. Don't forget to do the quiz, Unati. Bye-bye. Okay. Excellent. Thanks, Teacher Nelisa. Okay. Ntiso's going to take it away from here. Ntiso, what's our next move?
1 and 5.
1 and 5. Okay. I saw your example in the chat there. 1 and 5. Okay, great. We're going to swap 1 and 5. So we're going to get 2, 3, 6, 4, 5, 1, 7. Okay. Teacher Nelisa, can I ask you to help Bukhali in the chat? She says she can't hear.
Okay.
Sure. Thank you so much. All right, Masih Chaba, what do you think we should do next? What do you think?
Ma'am, I think we should move 2 and 3.
2 and 3. You want us to swap them?
Yes.
Okay. Oh, look at what I've done. Okay, so we're going to take 2 and 3 and swap them back around. So that's going to give us 3. 2, 6, 4, 5, 1, 7. Remember, guys, we're trying to get the order 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. So remember what we're trying to get at. Maria, what do you think? What should we do next?
Ma'am, I think we should swap 6 and 4.
Okay, excellent. Okay, 6 and 4. So what we're going to have is 3, 2,
2,
4,
4,
6,
6,
5,
1,
1.
7.
Okay, excellent. Okay, I feel like we're getting somewhere. Feel like we're getting somewhere. Thanks, Maria. Okay, Jody, give us the next move. Misela, hand up if you want to try.
Ma'am,
Yes,
I
Jody,
think
go
we
for it.
should swap 5 and 1.
5 and 1. Okay, we're going to swap 5 and 1. So my new order reads 3, 2, 4, 5. Oh, no, I lied. 4, 1, 5. Ooh, why am I lying? 3, 2, 4, 6, 1, 5, 7. Okay, I like that. I like that, Jody. That seems like a nice swap. All right. Thanks, my sweetie. Okay, next. Mbali, what should we swap next? Oh, no. Unmute for me, my sweetie.
Okay, ma'am. So we're gonna swap 6 and 1.
Okay, cool. Let's swap 6 and 1. So my new order is going to be 3, 2, 4, 1, 6, 5, and 7. Okay, I'm seeing something. Thanks, Wally. Okay, Nokozi, what should we do next? Bali, I need you to mute for me, please, my sweetie. Hi, Nokozi.
Ma'am. Hi, ma'am.
Yes.
Can you please swap 2 and 3?
2 and 3, okay. Undoing what was done. Okay, I see. 2, 3, 4, 1, 6, 5, and 7. But I see where you're going, Nokwezi. I see you.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, awesome. Okay, Tanya, what do we need to swap next?
Ma'am, I think we need to swap okay. 4 and 1.
4 and 1. Okay, we can do it. 4 and 1. My new order to 1, 4. Oh, I'm lying. 1, 4. 1, 4, 6, 5, and 7. Okay, we're definitely getting somewhere. Thank you, Tanya. Amazing. All right. Sila, what are we swapping next?
Must swap 5 and 6 must.
Ah, I like that one. Excellent. All right, 5 and 6. That's a good one. That's a good one. Now we've got 2, 3, 1, 4, 5, 6, 7. Ah, Sila's done something very important here because now these 4 are in order. All right, what's missing? Misela, let's go. What do I need to do next?
Hi, ma'am.
Hello.
I'm going to do 3 and 1.
Okay, excellent. 3 and 1. Okay, well done. That's a good move. 2, 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, that's no problem. Thank you so much, Misela. Nokwezi says she also has to go. We'll see you again on Monday. Remember to do the quiz, Nokwezi. Bye-bye. Keisha, is your hand up, my sweetie? I do not see Keisha's hand up, therefore I cannot ask her to unmute, unfortunately. Tabang.
Yes, ma'am.
Hi, what are we going to swap next, Tabang?
2 and 1.
Ah, that was too easy. They left the easy stuff for you. Okay, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Well done. Well done, Tabang. Okay, excellent, guys. Well done. Everyone did a great job. I'm going to count how many swaps we did. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Scroll up. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11 swaps, 11 swaps. I think many of you already know what Teacher Coco is going to say. Okay, I'm telling you guys now, you guys can do it in 8 swaps. Okay, in 8 swaps. So we're going to try it again on Monday, and we're going to see if we can get it in less swaps. Okay, we're going to try it again. You guys need to try and do it in only 8 swaps. I know you can do it. Guys are amazing like that. Okay, before you go, because I think Jody needs to go, but we're going to be looking at that last shape that we need to draw over here. Okay, H-I-J. Ntiso, would you like to help me with the coordinates for H-Y-J? I have not decided on a name yet, Nelisa. I keep forgetting. Sure. Oh, Sam, it's not quite an irregular triangle. Ntiso, do you want to unmute? All right,
Yes,
let's
ma'am.
go. Okay, the coordinates for H for me, my sweetie.
Okay.
What is the X value?
Open bracket.
Mm-hmm.
It's -2.
Oh, look. We need to start with X first, and X is?
Two.
Good. 2. Mm-hmm. Semicolon.
Semicolon. -2.
Good. -2. Excellent. And do you see how I is on the same line with H? Do you see that? They're on the same line. Do you see that?
Yes.
So what does that tell me about my X value? What is my X
Yes,
value going to be? Everyone else can tell me in the chat. What is my X value going
It's
to be?
going to be. It's going to be 2.
Excellent. Well done. You didn't even have to look. It's going to be 2. What is my Y value going to be though?
It's going to be
Well
-8.
done. Amazing. I'm going to put -8 and close brackets. Okay. And then my J is on my same line with I. So what do we know about my Y value? Okay, so what is my Y value going to be?
It's -8.
Well done. And then what is my J value going to be? Let me move some of this stuff because it's hard to see.
It's going to be 9.
Oh, 9. Careful.
Oh, it's going to be 8.
Good. It's going to be 8. Well done. Okay. And in this kind of triangle, if I put it together, what kind of triangle do you think I have, Ntiso?
Is it?
I'll tell you something. It's made of straight lines and there's a hypotenuse. What we've drawn here is a hypotenuse. And what kind of triangle? Oh, well done, Mibuyo. What kind of triangle always has a hypotenuse? Check in the chat. Thank you, Jody. Bye-bye. Remember to do your quiz. It's going to be a right-angled triangle. So there's going to be a, there's going to be a square in the middle.